What's going on, everybody? Chance Gonnam here with your Bitcoin markups. So we are on Bitcoin. We're doing Litecoin, Ethereum. But you guys can see Bitcoin finally made this push up that we've been talking about for so long. And now it's retesting this zone. I think this is a beautiful, 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 beautiful place to be buying Bitcoin right here. I mean, everything makes sense that it should keep pushing up. If you entered right there, I mean, I would put my stop loss right about here. It's right under that zone. Give it a little cushion on Bitcoin. And then, I mean, potential-wise, this could be starting that push that takes us up to here. It might take a while. Like, once it breaks this, gives you a retest, all that. I don't know how fast it'll move. That's the only downside, is I don't know when it'll get up and out of here. But also, I don't know if I love that, but that's just a little wick, little breakthrough. So it's all good. Yeah, Bitcoin is looking good. So check this out on the hour chart so you can see it a little clearer. So Bitcoin followed this massive uptrend over here all the way up to that 20K mark, which it didn't touch. It got real close to. Then it followed this downtrend down, broke, retested, and then now I think it never did come down and retest that trend, but that is all good. That's not a must. But it looks like it chose to go up, which I know a lot of you who are invested in Bitcoin are probably hyped about, me as well. I like to see it going that way. But for Forex traders or traders in general, I mean, we're looking at potential of here, if you can stay patient enough in this Bitcoin entry. So if you can get in Bitcoin right about now, ride it, ride it, ride it. I mean, this could be a long-term trade for you, but the one thing with Bitcoin is always put in your stop profits. Always, always, always put in your stop profits so that you're, if something crazy happens, you're not out money. But I know me and everyone else has heard that the potential for Bitcoin is way up here, right? 100,000, whatever. So if it does make that move and it is going to break up, I mean, who knows? Once it gets over this mark right here, it's going to be wild because it goes up into the uncharted territory. So far for this portion, it's been pretty easy to trade Bitcoin. It's been following decent areas and it's been listening to the rules of Forex. But what I'm really looking for is once it breaks, follows breaks, and continues this move with a break, retouch here, and then goes off, that's going to be mad money. So if we can get in here and hold this trade, who knows how long this trade could go. Maybe it hits our stop profit a couple times, and we just have to find new entries as we go. I don't hate that. You know, I don't hate if I have to stack in a couple extra entries. I don't hate that I missed the first, or my first entry gets stop profited out. As long as I'm putting money in the bank, it's all good. So that's Bitcoin. Let's check out Ethereum. This is Ethereum's high right here. And you can tell it's been playing with it. It came up, formed a new high, but it never, so this is what I was waiting for, that break, retouch, go. It never gave me a good retouch, so there's no entry. You know, no retouch here, no retouch here. So there's no reason to enter these trades. But kind of like I said yesterday, I hate to say this about Ethereum like this, but I would stay away from day trading it, only because unless you're going to sell it and you think it's going to drop from the high, there's no real good guidelines when it's up here at the highest point this thing's ever been. So I'm kind of just chilling on it, just waiting. I mean, I'm looking here. There's like a micro uptrend. Maybe there's a channel. Let's see. I mean, there's kind of this thing forming, but at the end of the day, that's really nothing. It could be saying it pops up, or it could give you extra confirmation if we get something like this and give us a confirmation for a sell. But realistically, I'm not sure. It would have to be, I wouldn't trade this on a buy because it's too sketchy when you're going up into unknown territory, in my personal opinion. So Litecoin, let's check this out as well. Boom. Just like I said yesterday, don't enter, don't enter, don't enter. So we were trading, or we were looking at right here. You can see actually up on this wick is where current price was. And this is where it just faked out. And I said yesterday that you could sell it here, but definitely do not buy. I said make sure it gets out of that. It does your retouch. So hopefully no one bought into Litecoin yesterday, because that wouldn't have been a good spot to buy it. But if you're looking for an entry zone, I would be looking for about this price right here is an entry zone for me that I'd be looking for if I was going to buy, or down to here. So either way, either level that you're looking for, wherever it starts catching itself on this drop, I do believe it would keep pushing down. If we look on the micro right here, you have a break retouch right here, so it might come up retouch again, and maybe if you want to hit a sell right here as well, that is very possible. So those are the markups. That's what we got going on today, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Again, my name is Chance Gonnam. I've been trading Forex for now a year and a half full time, and I'll tell you what, cryptos have definitely changed the Forex landscape. If you're hopping in to cryptos first to learn how to trade, trust me, you're doing it wrong. The cryptos are like the wild, wild west. Message me on Facebook. Go to the link below. Find out how you can learn about Forex, because Forex is what you're going to need to know to learn these skills and practice in a slower market. Then you can transfer these skills over to the crypto market. So let me know if you guys need to message me on Facebook. All my information is below in the comment or in the description. So just check all that out. Let me know, get in contact, and I can help you learn the skill of Forex and help you be profitable and learn how to drop all these charts so you can take it over to the crypto market.